gentlemen, welcome to Chicago. The current time is 4:19 a.m. That should put us at the gate about 25 minutes early. The current temperature here in Chicago is 34 degrees. We'd like you to stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may now use your phones and other small lightweight devices in transmit mode. Please check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings before you exit the aircraft. And please be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight. On behalf of United and your entire team on board, as well as our Star Alliance partners, we thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We truly appreciate your business and we hope you've enjoyed your flight. We do hope to see you again soon. We are arriving into gate B16, that's B as in Bravo 16. Thanks for flying with United. Enjoy your night.
Hey folks, we're in first class and it is 4 in the morning and I wrote a piece on Oakland News Now about how the latest report confirmed the whistleblower reports that I got from the workers that contacted me in early December. Anyway, nice flight. Got the cushy backs. This is actually the new seats in first class. The only problem is this. Yes. Okay. But I love it. Absolutely love it. Great, fantastic service as usual. Great food as usual. And I like the way the new trays work. Did I say that slurringly? New trays. I like the way the new trays work. Yes, I did say that.